via Berlin Ostkreuz. Departure 12.
This is where I stopped last time, this is where I started today now.
Das war nicht die Zuständigkeit der DDR. No, okay. Besoffener US-Soldat wurde von der Sowjetunion persönlich von Diplomaten.
Das ist ein geiles Bild.
Alright, so the Berlin Wall was actually different widths, depending where it was. Yeah, here's an example. So this is a pretty thin part of the district because there's a lake right there. And this serves natural border between East Berlin, West Berlin, and yeah. There's not as many tourists here, and it's a bit nicer. Alright, so there used to be like the Berlin Wall here, and it used to go through that, and now it's someone's gardens in the middle of the way, so you have to go a bit round their gardens. So we're still on the right way, just that you have to go in a little curve. Yeah, but still the right way. Let's continue. But what is it with play parks in the middle of the district? Here's another play park, so let's go. Just to note, you're never too old to go to the play park. So if you're 100, not too old. If you're 100, not too old. If you're 60, not too old. So we're actually in Potsdam now. Found these statues on the way. Oh, that was disgusting. So the thing I'm sitting in right now is a very German, and it's called a Strandkorb, which means like a beach basket thing. You normally see these in the North Sea, on the North Sea beach. Because guess what? Germany actually has beaches at the Ostsee. Walking the Berlin Wall is such hard work that I need an ice cream. It's not a must, it's a need. And up here. My grandma's here. My grandma. I'm always here, there, la la la, la 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 la, la 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 lee, la 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 la, lee, la 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 la. Look how many we've got. They're so good. Wow, that one looks very juicy. I think I've got a bit. Look at those babies. We're adding to the collection. And I think someone ate a couple. Guilty! Guilty! For all the people who made their garden longer by putting it in the middle of the Berlin Wall path, if you're watching this, why did you do that? And also, did you not think about your children? Maybe your grandchildren might want to learn about this, and then it's blocked off, and then like more, and then they forget about it, and then something happens similar to this again. Like, if you don't know your past M, then you will never know your future. I think it's not okay that they just stopped the Berlin Wall right here because someone said, "Oh wait, I can extend my garden out here." What about if I wanted to walk across? If you own this house and you're watching it, yeah, can I walk through? So we're gonna have to find another way around the lake because of this incident about the wall. There's a girl in the wall that someone's just begun. Like most tourists, once they come and see the Berliner Wall, when they come to Germany or Berlin, and then if you take it away, there's nothing to see. The most important thing. Like 30 years ago, people wanted to forget it, but now they want to like see it. They want to remember it, so we don't repeat it. That's Daniel. Finally, mauerweg continues here. Alright, so I'm going to put a link in the description for a map that you can buy, and it's really cool and really helpful. Didn't actually even look like it could be shut up anywhere on the map, but it is. It's just crazy. So this is here, even though you can't really see much of the wall here, and you can see more people's gardens. So I've actually got pictures of the wall here. Ooh. And I was just dancing on it because it's just been discarded on the ground. Then they just like decide, oh, let's just put a display right up here. At least you can see photos of this part. And a bunch of words. The path is back. The path is back. Path is back. The path is back. Good old concrete DDR path. Back. The path is back. The path is back. The path is back. The path is back. Alright, so you actually see that big bit of death strip that they still haven't made into a garden yet. Finally, in one piece. And can you see all the sand? Maybe in 20 years time or so it might turn into a play park, a little one. Maybe it might turn into a garden, maybe it might turn into a zoo, maybe it might turn into a nature resource. Who knows? Just a quick reminder, if you're new here and you haven't watched my other videos, why this hand is here, it's because here used to be like death strip, and so do you know if someone had been here or not. They used to have sand, so like if you walk in sand and you have shoes or no shoes on, like, it leaves a print, doesn't it? So that's why. I'm happy to see the strip, and it's not a garden yet. I'm happy to see a part of the dead strip that's not a garden, play park, nature zone,
Or beer garden.
or beer garden.
Yet.
Weiter, so meine Freunde, woo! There's a military zone, and they say if so this sign says if you go in their zone, then they can shoot you. So don't do it. So I'm just gonna go down this way to go catch the Wannsee ferry. And if you look on your Mauerweg map, actually the Wannsee ferry is actually part of it. But you need a ticket. And you can even buy a ticket on the ferry. Yeah. That's nice. This is the queue for the ferry to Wannsee. So the river, so the border used to be across the river, and that's why the ferry is part of the well, part of it. This is the most relaxing